Hi! Today we are going to run. This is a new place at a lake nearby Setia Pinnacle. So this girl over here is a Taekwondo black belt. So, okay, let's run! Oh god, she's so fast. This place is actually very nice. This is I believe it's a man-made lake, and there are fishes. Oh, ducks! No. I guess it's what? Geese? Nice. Oh, we are not allowed to feed them. This is really a nice place to jog, and I believe there are many people. Oh, there are more. Look at her or him. Come on, hello. And there are more over here. Hi! Oh, and then where is this lady? Oh, she's over there. Okay, I'm going to chase her. Wow, this place. Oh, she's back. Oh, this is actually a very nice place to picnic or just have a chat. Maybe you can take wedding photo. Okay, let's go. It's 11 something in the morning, so you see the sunshine is very bright, but it's still fine, and it's Valentine's Day today. There are these places where they grow and plant some flowers. Right, where is she? If you are in Penang or you come by Penang, you can come to this place in Sungai Ara, and it's actually a very nice place. Okay, I'm out of breath. See you guys. And then suddenly there's this bird which is stunned and not moving. I don't think he is injured, but he's just stunned. Maybe he's pretending to die so that we won't hurt him. Alright, we'll leave you alone. Hello! He's sticking his head out, but I'm sorry, we are not allowed to feed you.